In today's video, I will walk you through how to link Shopify to Etsy. To begin, navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From the available options, click on Apps. After entering the Apps section, locate the search bar. In the search field, type Etsy integration and wait for the results to appear. Shopify will display a selection of apps designed to connect Shopify with Etsy. Browse through the available options and choose the integration app you want to use. Once you've found an app that fits your requirements, click on it to open its app page. On the app page, review the information provided. When you're ready to continue, locate the Install button and click it. After selecting Install, follow any confirmation prompts that appear on the screen. Complete the installation process by approving the requested permissions when prompted. Once the installation has finished, the integration app may open automatically within your Shopify dashboard. If it does, continue with the setup process displayed by the app. The next step is to connect your Etsy account. Within the integration app, locate the option to sign in or connect Etsy. Click the appropriate button to begin linking your account. You will then be prompted to enter your Etsy account credentials. Enter your Etsy login details and continue through the authorization process as instructed on the screen. After providing your Etsy account information, follow the remaining prompts presented by the integration app. Complete each step required to authorize the connection between Shopify and Etsy. When the setup process is finished, the integration app will have access to your Etsy store, and the connection between the two platforms will be established. At this point, your Shopify account and Etsy store are successfully linked through the integration app. The connection allows the app to work with your Etsy store and Shopify account from within the integration setup. To recap, go to your Shopify dashboard, select Apps, search for Etsy integration, choose an integration app, install it, complete the confirmation prompts, open the app, sign in with your Etsy account, and finish the authorization process. Once those steps are completed, your Shopify store and Etsy account will be connected through the integration app and ready to use. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.